Hello guys and welcome back to another room tour. We are at the Seminole Hard Rock Hotel and Casino in Hollywood, Florida, and this is a standard room in the Guitar Tower. We were very lucky to get an upgrade. We originally booked the Hard Rock Tower and when we checked in they'd given us the Guitar Tower. So starting off in the main part of the room, we just have your hallway, standard, nothing special, plenty of space, very wide. And then as you come in, you've got the bathroom area on your right. So you can see there's a nice double vanity area here. Really nice marble tops as well. With storage underneath with some extra towels, and you have your hair dryer down there. There's also that really nice big mirror. Plenty of lights in here. And this mirror opens up, which I will show you from the other side. Products used provided for you from Rock Spa. There is a robe that you can use. If you take it, they charge you $75, but if you do like it, you can buy it for $45 downstairs, brand new. So pinching it is not a good move. You can get a brand new one that hasn't been used and washed. Brand new one for $45. Coming around, you got the toilet and also the main toilet and shower separate. Toilet in here that is through to the hallway, but you can't see through, so don't worry. And the shower, huge shower, rainfall and a wall connected for you there. Bench if you need it, and another shower head there. So 3 shower heads in total. Again, the Rock Spa products available for you. Swinging round though, we have our wardrobe here, another full-length mirror, and inside we have plenty of hanging space, iron, some extra drawers. Top one is where your safe is, and then just standard drawers underneath. And there are some hangers included, including some dress hangers and your standard hangers and your wardrobe. Your dirty linen and iron. Your luggage rack is also just tucked behind the iron board there. So coming in, this is a king room. So obviously a very comfortable, large king bed. The rooms themselves are very tall. I reckon these are a good 10 feet tall, these rooms. So plenty of head space, head height. There's a look at the bed itself. You can see there are sockets either side there and left and right. If I just go towards them, there we go. They both have 2 plug sockets and USB-A connections. And over on the other side is the same, as well as light switches and clock radio. You've also got side table either side, or bedside table either side, that you can store some extra stuff in. Space for shoes down the bottom. Swinging around opposite the bed, a little bit more storage up top there. And then we have our area with our Keurig coffee machine. Has a couple of pots included, 2 decaf, 2 standard, your coffee cups, ice bucket, 2 bottles of water included, and underneath here is your personal fridge. The fridge was off when we came in. It seems to only turn on when the room is checked in, so that's taking a while for that to cool down. But there is a nice machine down the corridor which you can use to fill up in a sink if you need to get some drinks cold quickly, like I'm doing here. Then got a very big TV on the wall. Again, more storage underneath. There is a lot of storage in this room. A small work desk if you do need to work here. Lamp, telephone, a bit more art on top with another small mirror. All of these mirrors do really help make this room feel incredibly light and airy, even though in itself it is a very big, light and airy room. A couple of chairs and tables there and a stool. This is room 1616, so room 16 on the 16th floor. Just showing you the view we have from here. Not really much of one. We've got a big pillar just in the way here, but it's just facing out onto the car park. But you can see for a long distance, but we're not facing anything specific, although you should get pretty good view of storms coming in. And your aircon unit up top. Aircon is there, and the control for which is on the wall just over here. Now in the bathroom, I was saying about that you can open up those mirrors, and you can do so here. There we go. 1 and 2. These are not see-through, as there is a mirror on the other side. But once you open them, it just adds more light in to the room and helps make it all feel that much bigger. So there we go. That's a tour of a standard king guitar tower room here at the Seminole Hard Rock Hotel and Casino in Hollywood, Florida. I hope you've enjoyed this quick room tour. If you have, please give a thumbs up. And if you have any questions, comments, or if you've stayed here before or looking to stay here, just hit up in the comments down below. Any questions, I'll do my best to answer. But until next time, I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.